What's up, everybody? This is Austin with Gamblin Motors. Today we have ourselves a 2023 GMC Sierra. This is a 1500. It is the elevation trim package. It has the 3-liter diesel. It's all black. Super nice truck. Crew cab, short bed. It's only got 17,000 miles on it. You have a nice tonneau cover already. Then let's see what else we got. You got the floor liners, under seat storage. Then heated seats, remote start, lane keep assist. I believe you have the wireless charger as well. Yes, you do. And yeah, all around super solid little truck. Fairly cheap on price too. Comes in at $47,991. It does already have that front clear bra on it as well, so save you a little bit of money there. If this is something that you'd be interested in, feel free to give us a call at 360-825-3567. Once again, that is 360-825-3567. My name is Austin. Just call in and ask for me, and I'll happily answer any questions you might have. Alrighty, looking forward to hearing from you.